Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 4D of chapter expansion. Here we start up with this question. Here we are being provided with a sum of x plus 2y and 3z that is equals to 0, and this has also been given to us, and we have to evaluate this expression. Before starting with this expression, we have to first of all find the value of x plus 2y with the help of this one, that is x plus 2y will be equals to minus 3z. Then 2y plus 3z, this 2y plus 3z equals to minus x, and 3z plus x, 3z plus x will be minus 2y. Here we have got all the three values, and now we are going to place in this expression. Now on placing the value over here, this will become minus 3z to the whole square upon xy, plus this will become minus x upon yz to the whole square, plus this will become minus 2y to the whole square upon zx. Now this will be 9z square upon xy plus x square upon yz, and this will be 4y square upon zx. Now take the LCM of the denominators and you will be getting LCM as x, y and z, and here z is missing, so this will be multiplied by z. This is 9z cube, plus here x is missing, this will become x cube, and here y is missing, so this will become 4y cube. And here we see that is 9 cube plus 4y cube plus x cube equals to 18 x, y and z upon x, y, z, and therefore as we can cancel out these two, so we will be left with 18 as the answer for the question number 1. Here we are being given with the value of a plus 1 upon a, that is equals to m, and we have to find the value of a minus 1 upon a in the terms of m only. So for there we are going to use the identity which we have did earlier also, that is a plus 1 upon a to the whole square minus a minus 1 upon a to the whole square equals to 4. Now we have to just place the values, and this will become m square minus a minus 1 upon a to the whole square equals to 4, and now make a transpose, we will be getting this. Then taking the square root on both the side, you will be getting a minus 1 upon a equals to the root of m square minus 4 in plus and minus sign. The next part it is to find the value of a square minus 1 upon a square. So a square minus 1 upon a square will be equals to a plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a. Now place the values. Here we are having m, and here we are having plus minus root m square minus 4. So this can be written as plus minus m in root of m square minus 4. Now question number 3 is just a simple expansion. So let's see question number 4. Here in this question we have been provided with x square plus 1 upon 9x square, and we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So for this question we have to first of all find the value of x plus 1 upon 3x, and for that we'll give an expansion of x plus 1 upon 3x to the whole square. And now after that, on doing the expansion, you will be get the value over here, that is x square plus 1 upon 9x square plus we can cancel out these two and we're left with 2 by 3. Now place the values of these two. This one is 25 by 36 plus 2 by 3. Now take the LCM to solve it. Now on taking the LCM, we have got 49 by 36. Now to find the value of x plus 1 upon 3x, we have to take the square root on both the sides, and this x plus 1 upon 3x will be equals to plus minus root 49 by 36, that is equals to plus minus 7 by 6. And now we can go for the cube one. Now here x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube can be written as x cube plus 1 upon 3x to the whole cube. And then we have applied the identity of a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b, and a square plus b square minus ab. Now here we can solve a bit. This can be cancelled out, and then we can place the value of x plus 1 upon 3x. X plus 1 upon 3x we have got plus minus 7 by 6. And then this one we were given as 25 by 36, and here on solving it we have got minus 1 by 3. Now we are going to take the LCM and solve it. We have got this on multiplying and solving it, but as x is greater than 0, therefore this x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube will be equal to 91 by 216 as answer. Now here we see question number 5. In this one we have been given with one expression and we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. We are going to start with this expression only, that is, now here we are starting with this expression. We have just transposed 2 on the other hand, and this will become x square, and we are going to shift this x on this hand, and this will become x square upon x plus 1 upon x equals to 5 by 2. Now we can cancel the x with the x square, and we will be left with x plus 1 upon x equals to 5 by 2. Now here x plus 1 upon x to the whole square minus this, we can use this one to find this. Place the values 5 by 2 to the whole square minus x minus 1 upon x to the whole square equals to 4. Now make a transpose, and you can write this one as x minus 1 upon x to the whole square. By changing sign it will shift over here, and this will be shifting over here. That is 5 by 2 to the whole square minus 4. Now solve it. 25 by 4 minus 4, that is equals to 4. 25 minus 16, and that is equals to 9 by 4. Now taking square root on both of the side, we will be getting x minus 1 upon x equals to the root of 9 by 4, that is equals to plus minus 3 by 2. Here we have got the value of x minus 1 upon x. For the second part we have started with this, and we can cancel out these two and now place the values, and this will be plus minus 3 by 2 to the whole cube equals to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus the minus 3 and the value of this one again plus minus 3 by 2. Now open it and transpose. Now on making a transpose, we have got this on this side and we have shifted this on the other hand, so this minus change into positive. And now on further solving, we have got by 3 3 is 9, and then taking LCM we have got 8 as LCM, and then 36, and finally 63 by 8. Now we'll go for the next question. Now here we are having a question number 6 in which a square plus b square is given and ab is also been given, and we have to find the value of this expression. So for that, very first of all, we are going to expand a plus b to the whole square and a minus b to the whole square, and hence we have expanded. Now we are going to open it, After expanding the bracket, we can solve the like terms, such as these two can be solved, these two can be solved, and these two can be solved, and we get 8ab, 8a square plus 8b square and minus 4ab. Now we have taken the common of 8 from the first two expressions, and now we can place the values of a square and b square and ab over here. And by doing so, this will become 8 into 34 minus 4 into 12, and that is equals to, we get finally 224 as the final answer. And now let's see the next question. Here the question is in which we are being given with this one, and we have to find the value of this. Now here we see that these two, on these two terms we can take the 7 as common. So this can be written as 7 x cube minus 1 upon x cube, and from these two we can take 8 common, so we can write this one as x minus 1 upon x. But in the question we have been provided with this one, so very first of all we have to find the values of these two, then we are going to place over here to get the values. First of all we are going to start for the x minus 1 upon x. Therefore we got this expression, and now this will be equals to 7 minus 2, that implies x minus 1 upon x will be equals to, this is 5, so root 5. And now to find the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube and x, we have got this identity, we can cancel out these two. Now place the values, and on making a transpose and all, we will be getting this one. And here the 5 cube, that will be plus minus 5 root 5, and here again plus minus 3 root 5. They both are in the same, so this can be written as 8 root 5 with a plus and a minus sign. And now we can place the values over here, and this will become 7 into plus minus 8 root 5, and here plus 8 into this one, that is plus minus root 5, and that is equals to 7 is 56 plus minus root 5, and here plus minus 8 root 5, and that is finally equals to plus minus 64 root 5. Now question number 9 and question number 10 both have similar questions, so I am preferring to do question number 10. And we have been given with this one. Let's first of all simplify this one, and on doing so we are going to do the first of all cross multiplication, that is x into 5 minus x equals to 1. On making transpose and opening a bracket, we have got this, and then we have shifted all of them in a one side, and after that we are going to just divide the whole expression by x, and on doing so you will be getting x square upon x minus 5x upon x plus 1 upon x. We can cancel out these two with 0, that is, and here it will be cancelled with the power, so it will become x minus 5 will be shifted on the other side, so plus 1 upon x, and this minus 5 on the other hand, that is equals to plus 5. So we have got the value of x plus 1 upon x, and now we can apply for this one, x plus 1 to the whole cube equals to x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 into x into 1 upon x in a bracket x plus 1 upon x. Now place the values. This will become 5 cube equals to x cube plus 1 upon x cube, plus this will be cancelled out, 3 into 5, and now make a transpose. This will become x cube plus 1 upon x cube equals to 5 cube, that is 125, and on shifting this one it will become minus 15, and that is equals to 110 as answer. Now question number 11 and 12 are the questions which we have already did. Now let's see question number 13. It is quite different. Here in question number 13 we have to find the value of A on comparing with RHS. So very first of all we are going to expand this RHS portion. Now we have got this much this expression after expanding the RHS. Now we are going to compare with the LHS, and on comparing with the LHS we see that 9x square is same as over here 9x square, then 25 is over here again. So these two are to be compared. The coefficient of x is 7a minus 5 and here it is 30. This means 7a minus 5 is equals to 30. And here on comparing 7a equals to 30 we have got the value of a as 5. Now similar type of question of exercise, so question number 14 we have already did, and 15 is also just a problem sum with same questions which we have already did.